Engineering, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Good evening to one and all. Warm welcome to you all for this wonderful webinar session by BTR Construction. Okay, today our chief guest Dr. K.S.Elango, sir, Associate Professor, KPR Institute of Technology. Today's topic: technological advancement in construction industries. I give small introdu- I I give brief introduction about our chief guest. Sir, Dr. K.S. Elango graduated his BE Civil Engineering from Erode Sengundar Engineering College, Erode, and ME Structural Engineering from Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. He obtained his PhD in the area of previous concrete from Anna University, Chennai. Currently, he is working as an associate professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. He is having 9 years of teaching experience and 3 years of industrial experience as a design engineer. He has several publications referred in international journals and conferences. He is also associated with many professional bodies. So welcome you, sir. Session for you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your introduction.
Thank you, sir.
I am Dr. Elango, Associate Professor of, thank you, sir. I am Dr. Elango, Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. I would like to thank Engineer Uday Shankar, sir, for calling me to share my experience and thoughts among you all. I am very thankful. He is doing many number of webinars from the beginning, and during the pandemic situation, he has done more number of webinars, and due to that webinar, 4,000 plus students have benefited across the world through his webinars and through his industrial training, software coaching classes. You have done a very good job, sir, in the recent days. Definitely, your aim will achieve very much higher than this because of your efforts. Today, I'm going to share my knowledge in the technological advancements in construction industry. There are many number of technological advancements being there in the construction industry due to the advancement of machineries and advancement of latest technologies. We are going to see few of the technological advancements which makes the major revolution in the construction industry. For project students and for the UG students and PG students, this type of technology will be a very major discipline, civil engineering. Being a civil engineer, we have to know few persons, few famous personalities who are very much important in our relevant field. John Smeaton, born in 1724 to 1792. His life period is 1792. He is considered as the father of civil engineering. Considered as father of civil engineering. He is a British civil engineer. Whereas coming to father of Indian civil engineering is the very famous person, Sir Visvesvaraya. He is born on 1860. He is considered as father of Indian civil engineers. On every 15th September, we are celebrating his birthday is the Engineers Day. On remembrance of his birthday, we are celebrating his birthday as Engineers Day. One of the major structure constructed by Visvesvaraya, Sir Visvesvaraya is Krishnaraja Sagar Dam, which is situated in Mysore district. That is the famous dam, and which is the main source for our Kaveri river also. Whereas coming to inventor of modern Portland cement, William Aspidin is the scientist who invented the modern Portland cement. Without cement, there is no civil engineering. there is no construction projects. This person plays a major role in civil engineering construction field. William Aspirant is the inventor of modern Portland cement. There are various disciplines of civil engineering. As we all know, civil engineering is the branch which is the military branch, which is there from the beginning of the world. There are various disciplines of civil engineering. I have listed a few disciplines. In the environmental engineering, more number of government jobs are available in the field of environmental engineering. Whereas transportation engineering plays a major role in designing of a highway or designing of a road system for the entire system, entire national system. Being a transportation engineer, we have to assume or we have to determine how much traffic load is to be coming on the area, and depending upon the traffic load or estimated traffic load, we have to design the transport system. And as of environmental engineering, transportation engineering also having more number of government jobs in the railway sector, roadway sector, and even in airway sector. Water resource engineering mainly deals with construction of dams, canals, irrigation type of activities, etc. Whereas surveying and remote sensing, it is a very technological field, day-to-day current technological field. By using the remote sensing, we can survey the vast area of land within a short duration of time. Now, especially many advanced equipments are there in the field of surveying, like a total station, etc. Construction engineering is the field which mainly deals with the construction activities, the completion of projects, and other activities which will be mainly dealt by construction engineering. Whereas structural engineering is the main design of the structures, by using various softwares. But Uday Shankar sir also dealing with the same type of engineering field. He is teaching more number of softwares to the students based upon the structural engineering aspects only. In day-to-day field, more number of softwares are available like Statco, Revit Architecture, Tekla, tabs, like more number of softwares are available for view of structural engineering. At last, the geotechnical engineering is also one discipline of civil engineering. It mainly deals with the behavior of soil condition. When we are going to construct any major building or any high story building, more number of stories we are going to construct, we have to go for geotechnical engineering. That we will study the behavior of soils, how much load that soil can carry by using various type of test. We can be able to determine the load carrying capacity of the soil, etc. And depending upon the soil condition, what is the type of foundation to be implemented in the area, then we can find through the geotechnical engineer. These many disciplines of are there in our civil engineering department. So by choosing the correct path, we can reach our destiny, the area of civil engineering. When coming to the industrial revolutions, that means technological advancements. Currently, we are in fourth revolution. Fourth revolution means Industry 4.0. We are in fourth revolution. Whereas the first revolution taken place in 1765. The first revolution, mechanization, is done through the steam engine method. After the second revolution taken place in 1870, during the revolution, all the things happened by using the electricity and oil-based power. Due to the advancement in technologies, third revolution taken place in 1969, whereas the automated production comes into the field. Automated production means all the things are supported by electronics and information technologies. Currently, now we are in fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. In the 4.0 industrial revolutions, more new technologies have been implemented, such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud, psychophysical systems, etc. Not even in a single field, as an interdisciplinary approach in all the department across, irrelevant of all the departments, we are using this type of current new technologies. These are a few major technological revolutions taken place in the recent times. One is computer aided design, then building information modeling, prefabrication, automated and robotic equipments, current technology, 3D printing in civil department field, then wireless sensors. These are a few technological revolutions. Apart from this, there are many technological revolutions in the current field. But due to time constraint, I'm going to cover these many few technological revolutions in our civil engineering field. When coming to computer aided design, simply termed as CAD software, in mainly after introduction of this type of softwares, it eradicated the problem faced due to two-dimensional plans and section drawing. During preparation of any plans or any section or elevation drawings, definitely the drafting engineer will face too many problems because of scale condition, because of site condition, etc., etc. And because of revisions, more number of revisions will be there. During that time, draftsman will face a major problems. But after implementation of this software, those type of problems can be eradicated. Mainly, the output from the CAD software is design information is very faster and more accurate information will be there through CAD software. It is very huge benefit for time and cost ratio also. Now, CAD systems are available in standard design categories like manner or civil type of structure or civil type of oriented works, electrical works, pipings, structural schematics, etc. Based upon the application and based upon the requirement criteria, we can use this type of softwares for the adequate requirement criteria. This is the photograph which is taken during the olden time. The draftsmen are drawing the diagrams using very difficult methods. See the photograph, how much effort they are taking to draw a site layout. This is also a picture taken in a olden time. They are drawing the plant section elevation drawings in a huge room containing more number of draftsmen. But after implementation of computer aided design this way, after implementation of computer aided design, drawing of those plant section elevation is a very easy thing. And we will get the results in an accurate manner. If we have to measure a small distance means in a certain second of time, this is the major technological revolution taken place in a civil department field through computer aided design software. Shortly, it can be termed as BIM. It's a current technological revolution in which all the civil related plan, section, elevation drawing, and civil related works are being handled through building information modeling. BIM is the epicenter of the digital transformation. Mainly, it allows architects, contractors, and engineers to work in collaboration. That is the major advantage in the BIM software. Engineers, contractors, and architects will be in different place. They can collaborate and work through this software. If engineer needs any modification, a contractor needs a modification, they can get their modification from their place itself, and according to their modification or requirement criteria, architects can change the plan and the section. It uses even 3D and even 5D models. Now we are in India, most we are using 3D model, but in foreign countries up to 5D models, they are in implementation. Apart from the construction structures, other things such as heating, ventilation and air conditioning, electrical installations, piping, plumbing, these type of activities can also be carried out through the building information models. And the main thing, the positioning of walls, windows, roofs, balconies, that can be collaboratively analyzed, and because of that collaboration, errors can be easily detected, and in that particular time or within that time, the solutions can be worked out and be solved. That is the major advantage in the building information modeling software. See the photograph, which is the elevation of a building, which is created through building information modeling software. I have also mentioned the various type of dimensions from 2D to 6D. As we all know, 2D drawings means with X and Y axis, 3D drawings with added with the Z axis, so that it will have 3-dimension view. Whereas apart from 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D means where 4D, 3D model drawing added with the time element, 5D along with time element, cost information may also be added, whereas for 6D, it linked with the building management. Building management means the tentative schedule of the construction of the project and etc. etc. This much technology is developed in our relevant field. The only thing is we have to learn the advanced technologies. Then coming to the next advancement technology is prefabrication. This is a current technological field. By using this type of methodology in construction, more number of structures are being constructed across the world. What is meant by prefabrication? Already, as constructing of any building elements in a site or in a yard, and we are assembling the materials of the site. That is a short expansion of prefabrication. Assembling and moving materials on site with the help of construction equipment. For constructing of prefabricated elements in the site, we are in need of a massive equipment such as cranes, etc. etc. Prefabrication allows for greater automation in production within controlled environment. The main thing is it lowers wage rate on on-site work and eliminates on-site engineering documentation of the process. That is the major advantage in the prefabrication construction. See the photographs which is shown here. The first photograph. It's a prefabricated structure. They have fabricated a wall element in a yard, and by using the crane, they are implement the wall, the structure. Whereas in the second photograph, the entire structure has been prefabricated in a site and it is assembled in a site. And even staircase type of structures can also be prefabricated in any site and it can be assembled in a site. These many technological advancements are there in our field, and by using this type of technology in the construction, we can save more number of manpower and man's time. Another advantage, when we have to shift the structure to the other place, means easily we can dismantle, we can assemble in any other places. That is the major advantage in this type of construction projects. The next one is automated and robotic equipment. Main growing trend in construction application systems is the use of computerized expert systems. By using robotic equipments, we can finish the concreting work and we can also spray paint in the buildings. These type of robotic equipments are major use in nuclear power plants and nuclear facility type of works, because in those places there will be a sure threat for the manual workers. During that time, if there is any problem, means it will not affect manually. Those places we will opt robotic or automated type of equipment. These are some of the photographs of robotic equipment. Even plastering can be done by using robotic equipment. This type of technology is being used in all type of construction works by MNC companies. And a rebar. For rebar works, we are using automatic robotic equipments. And for arrangement of tower blocks, arrangement of bricks, we are in use of robotic equipments. The next one is 3D printing. This is a very advanced methodology, advanced technology in the current field. A core method to fabricate buildings or construction components. Mainly 3D printing in construction can either involve the use of a 3D printer attached to an arm, which actively builds a project on site, or use of printer in a factory, which create components of a building project that are assembled later. By using the 3D arm, we can construct a building by using 3D printing technology, or in a yard, we can make building elements, and as of prefabricated structure, we have to bring those elements to the structure and we can assemble in the site. In India, first 3D printer house was built by IIT Madras startup. Startup is the company which is started by alumnus of IIT Chennai. That startup company name was Prasta Manufacturing Solutions, which is located at IITM. They have constructed a house which has area of 600 square feet, as bedroom, a hall, and a kitchen. The entire house was designed by 3D printing technology. I would like to show one small video regarding 3D printing technology. Please, 2 minutes, please stay online. Yeah, that is video which is related to 3D printing technology. Either we can make the construction at the site by using the arms, that means the major construction equipment, 3D printing equipment, or otherwise by using the prefabrication technology, we can make elements in the site and we can move this. Okay, that is the main thing. The next one is wireless sensors. That is also a major technological advancement in the current field. Smart sensor in construction are used for assessing and monitoring the material and structural properties of concrete, environmental conditions, and project equipment. Okay, mainly in sensors in building, they are using the sensors for optimization. Mainly in green buildings, they are using more of sensor-oriented devices to optimize the consumption of electricity and any other resources. Then remote vibration monitoring is essential in assessing the risk of damage and disturbance to structures. In a earthquake-prone zone, where we are constructing any structure, means those structure we can implement the remote vibration technique on sensors so that it can also assess the damagement due to the any earthquake type of structures. This is the photograph which shows the building which is fully engaged with a sensor type of activities. That means automated lighting, energy management, data fusion and mining, indoor positioning, building security. These type of sensor-based activities can be implemented in a building. Ultimately, the type of building can be termed as a green building concept. When coming to the green building concept, this is the building which is located in Coimbatore. The building name is Sierra. The building incidentally has been recognized as the world's second highest ranking green building with a score of of 103 out of 110. Is the world's second highest ranking green building. Is a very pride to our nation. Under the leadership in energy and environmental design certification, it has been recognized as a second highest ranking green building. Why it has been recognized as the second ranking green building means it has a water efficiency of around 89 percentage with the help of solar fixtures and curbing wastage. And they have implemented a technology that is the first time in South India by using amorphous silicon thin building OTEC, where because of the technology, current consumption is very much lesser than ordinary current consumption methodology. And the being a student, you can also visit to this company as a one-day visit. The full building is fully equipped with sensors. When we enter into any room, means automatically the light and fan will switch on, and when the person left the room, it's automatically through the sensor that light and fan will automatically switch on. This type of technology has been adopted in this building, and being a civil engineer, during the construction of any projects, we have to implement these type of technologies so that it will be environmental friendly and society friendly. Here we have covered a few technological advancements such as CAD, building information modeling, prefabricated structures, 3D printing technology, automated robotic equipment, and the last wireless sensors. These many technologies are available all over the world. Still, many technology have been adopted, not even the technology based on the equipment or IoT based, and also based upon the material side, based upon the construction technology side. More number of technology have been implemented, and as a civil engineer, we have to implement those technologies during our construction process or designing process. That is the main thing. And this type of section is mainly for UG type of students. We have think that as a concrete, we have to use those type of concrete in construction of buildings only. Not so like that. We can also use concrete in making of innovative concrete products also. I'm going to show more number of concrete products. You can use those type of concrete products for your mini projects or in the aesthetic point of view or in any structure point for road purpose. See here, wash basin. Mainly, we all know wash basin is mainly made of any ceramic tiles or any clay product. But with the help of concrete, we can make wash basin, pen drive, plantation box. This is the structure made of a lamp, study lamp, wall plug made of concrete. The table, we can made a table made using concrete materials, wood and the concrete lamp, salt and the pepper box. Being a UG student, you can use this type of equipment for doing your mini projects. The pen holder, the hanger, kitchen accessories you can make using concrete or mortar, toothbrush holders, concrete chair. Again, this type of chairs can be made with the help of ferro cement technology. That is also one technology being used in our civil department field. Mainly, the ferro cement technology is used to reduce the thickness of any section. By using the wire mesh, we can make any type of element with the help of ferro cement technology. Concrete stacks we can implement, then containers, foldable chairs, concrete plugin, concrete mobile holder we can do, umbrella stand, chairs, light holders, sitting arrangements, concrete containers, book stand, pencil stands, water bottle with a different aesthetic view, concrete glass made of partially made of concrete and glass, then flower pot, concrete bangles, concrete dustbin, then cantilever support using any concrete materials. Okay. These are the few elements which can be made by using concrete material as an innovative product. As a whole overview of my presentation, we have seen a few technological advancements which is being used in our construction field such as BIM, AutoCAD, then prefabrication technologies, 3D printing technologies. Whereas in 3D printing technology, the main thing you have to make concentration in maintaining the mixed ratio of any concrete or mortar. Mainly 3D printing technology, mortar is the main source. We have to give concentration on making of mortar with proper mixed design. Then only the technology can be successfully implemented in any projects. That is also a vast technology. You can refer many number of websites are there. Even a small mini 3D printer is also available. With the help of 3D printer, you can come to know how much technology is adapted in a portable view. And by using the same technology, you can make in the site or also the any art by making any 3D elements. Okay, I'm very thankful to engineer sir for
Thank you.
giving me the opportunity to share my experience or to share my thoughts in the technological advancement in the civil engineering field among you all. Definitely, the 3D printing technology is a vast area. If time permits, I'm going. I'm very happy to share the entire session with the help of about the 3D printing technology, so that the audience will come to know the how much technology they are going to implement in the. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
The
Thank you.
questions, if there is any question from the participants, it is most welcome, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So thank you for the wonderful
Yes, sir.
presentation, sir. It's useful for the students for the mini projects and all, sir. Really useful for the students doing the PG project and mini project and main project also, sir. Thank you for the once again. Thank you for the wonderful presentation, sir. Participants,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Actually in the title side, I have mentioned my email ID, sir.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
The participants, any UG students, PG students, if you are having any doubts in the academic point of view or in any project point of view, feel free to call me or contact me so that I will. Thank you, sir. If
Thank
any questions from the participants, you can ask me, sir.
Okay, sir. Any questions? No, sir. No question from the audience side. So
Oh,
we'll complete
sure,
the
sir.
today's section, sir.
Okay. Sure.
Sure.
If you receive any questions, means you please feel to free to message me,
Yes.
sir, so
Yes.
that I will share, so that you will post in your comment box also.
Sure. Otherwise, the students any queries we will mail to our mail ID also. Any queries, sir.
Yes, sir.
Future project ideas also.
Yes.
Okay. Once again, thank you for
Yes.
all. I put the feedback form in chat box. Please fill the feedback form live participants only. Then we'll be give the certificates in 5 working days. We will be receive the 5 working days in your respective mail IDs. Okay. Okay, sir. Once again, thank you for
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
participating.
sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.